Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I want to show you that how to change your volume of videos in the CapCut. So I just import a video from here to show you how to do this. First of all, you have to just select for your video part or the video section by tapping on the timeline in order to change the volume. Once you tap on your video, you have to just select here for an option of the volume at the bottom menu. For this, you have to just move forward and you can see that volume option is here. Just click on it. Here your normal volume will be at the 100. If you want to minimize your volume, you have to just drag this dot towards the left, and if you want to maximize your volume, you have to just drag this dot towards the right. And once you satisfy with your volume, then you have to just click on the done. So by using this method, you can change your volume of the video according to your requirements. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.